Hello G-Stomper lovers. So today I have come with this new update of G-Stomper producers. I use beta version of G-Stomper producer app. So what's new in this update? Touch move drop editor mode for tonal grids activated by default. You can now place and move around nodes in the tonal grids by touching, moving and dropping them. So friends, this is the update and we will see on the app how it works. So first open this app and G-Stomper producer. This is the mixture of drum machine and this is the synth section. We will go straight this polygrid. And friends, so what is new in this update? I will show you. Friends, if you select any node, I have selected this F4 node. So friends, what's new in this? You can move this node like this. So you can move anywhere on this polygrid. So we'll see here, we'll open the setup box and the UI section, and here you can see tonal grid node placement, single node, touch, move, drop and a multi-node paint classic. If you select this one, I have selected this multi-node paint classic, and now you can't move your node. So friend, this is the classic one. Again we will open UI and I'm selecting here single node, touch, move, drop. Now you can move this. So this is one of the big update of G-Stomper producer app and I'm very exciting about this. Hope you also like this and make a you will enjoy your music and making music in this app. And friends, hope you like this video, and if you have any suggestions about this app or about this channel, you can write in comment box. And if you want if you want to learn this application more, you want to know more about this application, you can write on comment box and I will work on that. So friends, thanks for today and happy music making. Thanks friends.